Updating your legal name on FullStory is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your FullStory account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your profile. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your personal information. Step 3. Find name change option. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. In the name field, delete your old name and enter your new legal name. Double check for any spelling errors to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new name, look for the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm the changes and update your profile. Once you've completed these steps, your legal name on FullStory should be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.